So let us start the session. Today we are going to start multiple choice questions from chapter number 4, quadratic equations. So let us start with the first question. Which of the following is a quadratic equation? X square minus 3 root x. See, the power of x is 1 by 2. So ये polynomial भी नहीं है ये वाला expression. So this is not a quadratic equation. Right. Now if you take LCM here, it will become x square by 1 upon x, right? And if you cross multiply, so here we are getting x cube. So ये भी quadratic equation नहीं है. And if you again LCM, take LCM, so it will become x to the power 4. So we know that a quadratic equation is the equation with degree 2, and the power of the variable degree 2 means इसका भी degree 2 है, but the power of the variable should be whole number. Okay, so only one option is left, that is the last one. 2x square minus 5x is equals to x minus 1 whole square. This is x square minus 2x plus 1. Now what we will do, we will shift all to this side. So shifting में जो minus है वो plus हो जाएगा, जो plus है वो minus हो जाएगा, right? And we are getting x square minus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0, which is a quadratic equation. So the correct option is option D. Now we are moving toward the next question. Which of the following is a quadratic equation? एक मिनट ध्यान से देखो, यहाँ पर when we do the square 2 minus x whole square, we'll get 4 plus x square first two term, and the left hand side also one square x square term is there, so both will be eliminated. So this is not a quadratic equation. Now here x cube minus x square is equals to x minus 1 whole cube. So यहाँ पे first term x cube है, a minus b whole cube का formula, a cube minus b cube is plus 3ab into minus 3ab into a minus b. So next term is 1, right? So this will be eliminated. So there is a chance of getting power 2. तो इसको मैं circle कर लेता हूँ. यहाँ पे देखो, when we multiply this two, we are getting 2x square. So 2x square will be eliminated. So we are not getting the degree 2 here. So this is also not possible. So we will check the b bit. Okay, a quadratic equation is the equation with the degree 2. So b bit हम लोग expand कर रहे हैं. x minus 1 whole cube हो जाएगा x minus 1 minus 3x square plus 3x, और x cube minus 1 minus 3x square plus 3x, or we can write x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1, right? Now this x cube will be eliminated from both sides. Now what we will do, we will shift minus x square to this side, so plus हो जाएगा. अदरवाइज हम लोग एक काम करेंगे, इसको यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे क्योंकि ये प्लस हो जाएगा. सो प्लस 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x plus 1 is equals to 0, which is a quadratic equation. So the correct option is option B, right?
Option B.
Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. Which of the following is not a quadratic equation? तो इसमें कौन सा नहीं है वो find out करना है. See, if you shift minus x square to this side, it will be add up with x square. So we are getting 2x square. तो ये quadratic equation है. Now here, if you open the bracket, we are getting 2x square, and left side 1x square will come. So again, if we subtract from 2x square, we are getting 1x square term. So this will be also quadratic equation, right? Now only two options left. So यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे भी x square एक term आएगा और right side में 3x square है. So again 2x square will be left over here. So this is also a quadratic equation. Now only one option is left with us. इसको expand करके check कर लेते हैं, right? So a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, that is 2x square plus 9 plus 2ab. So 6 root 2x is equals to 2x square plus 6. Now see, both side 2x square is there, so this will be eliminated. ये दोनों eliminate हो जाएगा और plus 6 को यहाँ shift कर लो, minus 6. So finally we are getting 6 root 2x plus 3 is equals to 0, which is a linear equation. So which is not a quadratic equation. So correct option is
Option C.
option C, right. Now we are moving toward question number 4. If x is equals to 3 is a solution of this quadratic equation, then find the value of k. So इसका solution है मतलब उसको satisfy करेगा. So we can substitute the value of x is equals to 3, right. So we are going to substitute in place of x 3. So this will be 27. 3 into k plus k minus 1 plus 9 is equals to 0. Now 27 plus 9 हो जाएगा 36. We can shift to right hand side. Okay. Now 36 we can cancel with 3. We are getting minus 12. फिर minus 1 को इधर shift कर लो, plus 1. So what is the value of k?
Minus 11.
Minus 11.
Minus 11, right. So now we are moving toward question number 5. If one root of the equation is 2, then a is equals to dash. So one root को solution भी बोलते हैं, right? तो इसका solution 2 दिया हुआ, that means it will satisfy 2. So we will substitute 2 in place of x here, right? So 2 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. So see, this is 8 and plus 6, it will be 14. So 2a plus 14 is equals to 0. Now shift 14 to this side, minus 14. So what is the value of a?
Minus 7.
Minus 7, very good. Now next question, the sum of the roots of the equation is dash. तो सेम फॉर्मूला हम लोग यूज करेंगे जो क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल में यूज कर रहे थे, माइनस बी बाई ए, राइट. सो अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी बाई ए, वेयर अल्फा बीटा आर द रूट्स. सो माइनस बी, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ बी हियर?
Minus 6.
Minus 6. So minus of minus 6 upon 1. So we are getting 6. And the correct option is?
Option C.
Option C. Right. इसमें हम लोग ऑप्शन टिक नहीं किए थे. B. Now we are moving toward question number 7. If the product of the roots of the equation is minus 2, then the value of k is dash. What is the formula for product of roots?
C by A.
C by A. Very good. So the equation can be written as, हम लोग ये 10 को यहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे, ठीक है. So k minus 10. The constant part is k minus 10. And we know that the product of the roots of a quadratic equation is c by a. And c by a, it is given minus 2, right. Now the value of c is?
K minus 10.
Very good. A?
1.
1. So k minus 10 upon 1 is equals to minus 2. This will imply k minus 10 is equals to minus 2. Now shift minus 10 to this side. It will become plus 10. So what is the value of k?
8.
8. Very good. So now we are moving toward the next question. Question number 8. The ratio of the sum and the product of the roots of the equation is dash. Right. So we will find sum first and then product. So the formula for sum is minus b by a. What is b here?
Minus 12.
Minus 12. So minus 12, minus of minus 12 will become plus 12 upon a. The value of a is 7. So alpha plus beta कितना आ रहा है इसमें?
12 by 7.
Very good. 12 by 7. And what is alpha into beta product?
18 by
C by
7.
A.
18 by 7. Right. Oh. Alpha into beta is equals to 18 by 7. Now we have to find the ratio of these two. So यहाँ पे 7 cancel कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So we are getting 12 is to 18. We have to simplify. So divided by 6.
2 is to 3.
2 is to 3. And the correct option is?
Option D.
Option D, right. Now we are moving toward question number 9. If one root of the equation is 1 by 3, then the other root is dash. Right. So first of all, the equation is 3x square minus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0. And one root of the equation is given 1 upon 3. And let the other root is alpha. Now we are going to find the product of zeros. ठीक है, product of roots. What is the product of roots formula?
C by A.
C
C
by
by
A.
A.
Right. And what is C here?
3 plus
3
3.
plus 3. And A?
3.
3. Right. So product of roots is C by A, and that is
1.
1 by 3 into alpha. ठीक है, 1 by 3 into alpha is equals to 3 by 3. This is nothing but no, 1 नहीं करेंगे, ये दोनों 3 को कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So we are getting alpha is equals to 3, and the correct option is
Option D.
option D. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 10. If one root of 5x square plus 13x plus k is equals to 0, be the reciprocal of other root, then the value of k is dash. So let the two roots be alpha and 1 upon alpha, because it is given that one root is reciprocal of other root. So now product of roots formula we are going to use, that is C by A. And what is C here? K. And A?
5.
5. Right. So alpha into 1 upon alpha is equals to k by 5. So alpha will be cancelled, and we are getting 1 is equals to k by 5. And what is the value of k here?
5.
5. Right. And the correct option is
Option D.
option D. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 11. If the sum of the roots of the equation is equal to their product, then the value of k is dash. Right. So what is given that the sum of the roots of this equation is equal to its product. So what is the sum here? Sum
2. 2 by 1.
minus 2 by k. ठीक है, minus b by a होता है ना. So minus 2 by k. And what is product here?
3.
3 by K.
3 by k. Okay.
3K.
3 है. Fine. So हम लोग 3k by k लिखेंगे, क्योंकि k cancel कर सकते हैं, right? So we can cancel this k. So we are getting 3k is equals to minus 2. So what is the value of k?
Minus 2 by 3.
Minus 2 by 3. And the correct option is
Option D.
option D. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 12. The roots of the quadratic equation are 5 and minus 2. Then the equation is dash. So first we can write x minus 5, क्योंकि इसमें रूट्स ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. x minus 5 into x plus 2 is equals to 0. ठीक है. Otherwise we can use the formula direct. अब इसको simplify कर लो, you'll get the answer. Otherwise we can use the formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. Okay, so that formula we are going to use. So alpha plus beta, we are getting 3, or we can substitute directly in this formula. So x square minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0. And the correct option is
Option B.
option B. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 13. If the sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is 6 and their product is 6, the equation is dash. So formula क्या होता है? X square minus sum of roots into x, that is 6x, plus product is equals to 0, that is plus 6 is equals to 0. So equation will be x square minus 6x plus 6 is equals to 0. And the correct option is
Option A.
option A. Right. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now 14th question. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation 3x square plus 8x plus 2 is equals to 0, then find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. So first we will find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, right? So what is alpha plus beta?
Minus
Minus
8 by
8 by
3.
3.
Right. Minus 8 by 3. Minus b by a फॉर्मूला होता है. So यहाँ पे 8b 8 है और a 3 है. So we are getting minus 8 upon 3. And what is alpha into beta?
2 by
2 by
3.
3.
Yes. C by a होता है, that is 2 by 3. Right. Now we are going to take LCM, this one. So we are getting alpha plus beta upon alpha beta. Now we'll substitute the value of alpha plus beta, that is minus 8 by 3, alpha into beta, that is 2 by 3. So यहाँ पे 3 cancel होगा and we are getting minus 8 by 2.
-4.
Minus 4. Very good. So the correct option is
Option C.
Option C.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 15. The roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 will be reciprocal of each other if dash. So first we will take the roots are reciprocal. Then whatever the condition we are getting, according to, we have to select the correct option. So let the roots be alpha and 1 upon alpha. Right. Now what is the product here?
C by A.
C by A. So alpha into 1 upon alpha will be 1. Right. The product of roots is 1. And this is equals to C by A. So we are getting C is equals to A condition. Okay. So the correct option is
Option C.
Option
C.
C. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Now 16th question. If the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 are equal, then c is equals to dash. एक revision test में मैंने दिया था. Fine. So roots are equal. Roots are equal means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Right? So 4ac को इधर shift करो. So we are getting b square is equals to 4ac. So c will be equals to b square upon 4a. And the correct option is
Option D.
option D. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 17. If the equation 9x square plus 6kx plus 4 is equals to 0 has equal roots, again d is equals to 0. That is b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Then the value of k is dash. So first b square is minus 4ac is equals to 0. That is 6k square minus 4 into 9 into 4. Right? So ये तो हो गया 36k square and this will be 144. That we can shift to this side. So we are getting 36k square is equals to 144. 144 को 36 से divide कर सकते हैं?
4.
Yes, we are getting 4. So k is equals to plus
Plus
minus
minus
2.
two.
Minus 2.
Right. So the correct option is
Option C.
Option C.
option C. Right. So now we are moving towards question number 18. If the equation x square plus 2 times k plus 2 into x plus 9k has equal roots, then k is equals to dash. So again b square minus 4ac is equals to 0 क्योंकि equal roots दिया हुआ है. Now we'll substitute the value of b. What is b here?
K plus 2. 2k plus 2.
Yes, 2k plus 4 अगर ओपन करते हो तो 2 into k plus 2 का होल स्क्वायर minus 4 into a is 1 and b is 9 sorry c is 9k. Right. Now we are going to expand this one. ये 4 हो जाएगा and this will be k square plus 4k plus 4 minus 36k. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now we will simplify this one. 4k square plus 16k plus 16 minus 3k is equals to 0, and 16k minus 36k will become minus 20k, right? Minus 20k और सबको अभी 4 से divide कर दो. So we are getting x square minus 5k plus 4 is equals to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. So product is plus 4. 4 का दो फैक्टर जिसका टोटल 5 होना चाहिए.
4 and 1.
4 and 1 and both should be same sign. तो सम का साइन जो है वो लगाना है. So minus 4 minus 1. And what is the common between these two?
K.
K. और यहाँ पे minus 1.
Minus 1.
Right. So we are getting k minus 4 into k minus 1. So final answer is 4 and 1.
1.
So which is the correct option?
Option A.
Option
A.
A. Right. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 19. If the equation 4x square minus 3kx plus 1 is equals to 0 has equal roots, again equal roots, then find the value of k. So for equal roots, d is equals to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. And what is the value of b here?
minus 3k.
Minus 3k, right? And 4 into a is 4 and c is 1, right? So minus 3k whole square हो जाएगा 9k square, minus 16 is equals to 0. Now shift 9 to this side, so it will be k square is equals to 16 upon 9. So what is the value of k final?
Plus minus 4 by 3.
Very good. Plus minus 4 upon 3. So the correct option is
Option
Option
D.
D.
option D, right? So now we are moving toward question number 20. The roots of ax square plus bx plus c are real and equal if b square minus 4ac is dash. Real and equal. Unequal, sorry. Real and unequal. So greater than
than
Greater
0.
than
yes,
0.
greater than 0. Fine. Real and equal होता तो equal to 0. If it is not real or imaginary, then less than 0. Fine. Now we are moving toward question number 21. In the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, it is given that d is greater than 0. That is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Then the roots of the equation are dash.
Real and unequal.
Yes, real and unequal. If it is equals to 0, then real and equal. If it is less than 0, then imaginary. Fine. Next question. The roots of the equation are dash. So first we will start, we will calculate the value of d, that is b square minus 4ac. So b है यहाँ पे -6, a 2 है और c 7 है. Now 36 minus 56. We are getting minus 20. Minus 20, which is less than 0. So therefore the roots of the equation are
Imaginary.
imaginary. Very good. So the correct option is
Option D.
Option D.
option D, right? So now we are moving toward question number 23. Total 30 questions hai. The roots of the equation 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equals to 0 are real, unequal and rational. Rational तभी होगा जब हम लोग को d perfect square मिलेगा, right? Real, unequal and irrational. और irrational तब होगा when d is not a perfect square. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
फॉर्मूला हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं? माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट डी अपॉन 2a, right? If d is a perfect square, then we are getting real, unequal and rational. If d is not a perfect square, we are getting real, unequal and irrational. So पहले तो d का वैल्यू निकालेंगे. अगर वो ग्रेटर देन 0 आ रहा है तो वी हैव टू चेक वेदर इट इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर और नॉट. If equal to 0, real and equal. If less than 0, imaginary. So let us calculate b square minus 4ac. b is minus 6, a is 2 and c is 3. So 36 minus 24. So we are getting 12. 12 is greater than 0 and 12 is a perfect square?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
It is not a perfect square. So therefore the roots of the equation are real, unequal and irrational. ठीक है? So किसी को कोई डाउट है ये रैशनल और इरेशनल वाले कंसेप्ट पे?
No, sir.
So the correct option is option B.
Option B.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 24. If the roots of 5x square minus kx plus 1 is equals to 0 are real and distinct. Distinct means unequal. Then which option is correct? That we have to find. So what is the condition for real and distinct? D is greater than
0.
right. D is greater than 0. That is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Fine. Now the value of b is minus k and the value of a is 5 and the value of c is 1. So we are substituting. So we are getting k square minus 20 is greater than 0. ठीक है? That is k square is greater than 20. Now we have to find the value of k square. क्या क्या हो सकता है? एक एग्जाम्पल मैं समझा रहा हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल ले रहा हूँ मैं. जब लेस देन ग्रेटर देन 0 में उसको कैसे लिखना है? So what are the factors of this one? K minus 2 into K plus 2, right? So we have to find the value of K such that the product should be 0. So first condition I am getting K is greater than 2. अब K is greater than 2, एक वैल्यू चेक करो, नियरेस्ट वैल्यू 3, whether it is satisfying. 3 minus 2, 3 plus 2, satisfying. Okay, now you check for K greater than minus 2, any nearest value minus 1. Substitute minus 1, whether you are getting the product greater than 0. अगर -1 सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे, ये माइनस आ रहा है और ये प्लस आ रहा है. माइनस इंटू प्लस इज माइनस ओनली. सो ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग यहाँ पे? K लेस देन -2 लेंगे. दिस इज क्लियर. एक वैल्यू चेक कर लो, K लेस देन -2, -3 सब्सटीट्यूट. सो माइनस इंटू माइनस. ठीक है. सो जो नेगेटिव वैल्यू जो रहता है वो लेस देन लिखना है, ये याद रखना. So whenever we are getting this one, we are getting plus minus root 20. But for minus sign, it should be less than. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So root 20, we can write 2 root 5. So K is greater than 2 root 5 or K is less than minus 2 root 5. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option
D. Right. So this you have to remember, है ना, क्योंकि अभी आगे और भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. Right. If the equation x square plus 5kx plus 16 is equals to 0 has no real roots. So what is the condition for no real root?
B less than 0.
Right. Very good. So that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Right. अभी वहाँ greater than 0 का मैंने बताया था, less than 0 का भी वैसी example से समझाऊंगा. So b value is 5k and a is 1, c is 16. So we are getting 25k square minus 64 is less than 0. So 25k square is less than 64 by 25. And if you take square root, we are getting 8 by 5. ठीक है. चलो ठीक है. मैं इसका एक एग्जाम्पल ले रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो, सेम वैसे ही समझा रहा हूँ. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4 लेस देन 0. अभी मैंने ग्रेटर का बताया था. सो यहाँ पे K माइनस 2 इंटू K प्लस 2. ओके. सो लेस देन 0 मतलब K लेस देन 2 एंड K लेस देन -2. हम लोग को नियरेस्ट वैल्यू चेक करना है, कौन सा सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है. जो नहीं कर रहा है उसको फिर हम लोग रिवर्स कर लेंगे, ऑपोजिट साइन, ऑपोजिट इनइक्वालिटी लिखेंगे. So K is less than 2, nearest value is 1. Substitute 1, negative, positive. So that means it is satisfying, right? Now K is less than -2. -3 you take. If you take -3, what you are getting? Sign negative, negative. तो ये satisfy नहीं कर रहा है. So that means K is greater than -2. तो जब और दोनों को कंबाइन करेंगे तो हम लोग को क्या मिलेगा? देखो, K is less than 2 and greater than -2. So whenever you are getting this situation, K square -4 less than 0, तो नेगेटिव साइंस लेफ्ट साइड में रखोगे और पॉजिटिव राइट साइड में, एंड बीच में K, दैट इज -2 लेस देन K लेस देन 2. तो यहाँ पर भी ऐसे ही करना है. सो -8 by 5 लेस देन K लेस देन 8 by 5. वेदर यू आर गेटिंग दिस वन?
Yes, sir.
ये फॉर्मेट याद रखना, ठीक है, ये वाला जो ग्रेटर देन में बताया था और लेस देन में. फाइन. Now we are moving toward question number 26. Yes, यहाँ पे वो काम आएगा हम लोग को. If the equation x square minus kx plus 1 is equals to 0 has no real roots. So same, d is less than 0. That is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Now b is minus k, and a is 1 and c is also 1. So we are getting minus k whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1. So k square minus 4 less than 0, ये अभी मैंने समझाया था. So minus 2 less than k less than 2. This answer is clear.
Yes, sir.
So the correct option is option C. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 27. For what values of k the equation kx square minus 6x minus 2 is equals to 0 has real roots. Real roots लिखा हुआ है. It is not given that equal and unequal. So we have to take greater than or equal to 0. D is greater than equals to 0. That is b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग लेस देन ग्रेटर देन कुछ नहीं देखेंगे, डायरेक्ट प्लस माइनस लिखेंगे, राइट? अगर स्क्वायर में आएगा तो. सो b is minus 6 and a is k and c is minus 2. So we are getting 36 plus 8k greater than equals to 0. Now shift 36 to this side. We are getting 8k greater than equals to minus 36. Then k is greater than equals to minus 36 upon 8. So final answer, if you divide both by 4, we are getting
minus 9 by 2.
right, minus 9 by 2, and the correct option is
Option B.
option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 28. The sum of a number and its reciprocal is 2 1 by 20. So this is in the mixed form. So this will be 41 by 20. So the number is dash. So let the number be x. So according to the question, the sum of number and its reciprocal, that is 1 by x, is 41 by 20. So this step is clear.
Yes, sir.
If you take LCM, it will become x square plus 1 upon x, that is equals to 41 by 20. Now cross multiply. So 20x square plus 20 is equals to 41x. 41x को हम लोग left side ले लेंगे. So we are getting a quadratic equation. So here the product is plus 400 and the sum is
minus 41.
minus 41. So क्योंकि product यहाँ पे positive है, इसलिए उसका दो factor का total 41 होना चाहिए. The two factors of 400 such that the sum will be 41, 25 or 16. Now both the factors should be same sign क्योंकि product positive है. तो वो कौन decide करेगा? Sum. Sum negative है इसलिए दोनों minus हो जाएगा. So minus 25 minus 16. तो ये split कर रहे हैं हम लोग. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the common between these two?
5x.
5x. And these two?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Very good. So 4x minus 5 अगर common लेंगे दोनों से, so we are getting 5x minus 4 another factor. So we are getting one value 5 by 4 and another value 4 by 5. So the correct option is
Option
A, right. Now we are moving toward question number 29. This is CBSE 2012 question. The roots of the quadratic equation are. So we have to solve the quadratic equation, right? So minus 12 is the product. P यहाँ पे minus 12 है और sum है minus 1. Now product is negative, so इसके दो factors का difference 1 होना चाहिए.
4 and 3.
4 and 3. अभी सम का जो साइन है वो बड़े नंबर पे लगा दो एंड अदर नंबर विल बी ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइन. सो minus 4x plus 3x. So what is the common between these two?
2x.
2x. And here
3.
3. Right. So x minus 2 common लेंगे तो हम लोग को मिल जाएगा 2x plus 3, another factor. So that is x minus 2 is equals to 0 or 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. So first answer 2
Plus
2.
and the second one
minus 3 by 2.
Minus 3 by 2.
very good. So the correct option is
Option
B.
option B, right. So now we are moving toward the last question of today's session. The length of a rectangular field exceeds its breadth by 8 meter. So breadth अगर x होगा तो length x plus 8 होगा. And the area of the field is 240 meter square. The breadth of the field is dash. ये भी बोर्ड क्वेश्चन है 2014 का. So let the breadth of the field be x meter. So what will be its length? X plus 8. And area of the rectangular field is given 240 meter square. And we know that area of rectangular field is length into breadth, that is x plus 8 into 8, and that will be equals to 240 meter square. So we are getting quadratic equation x square plus 8x, इसको भी लेफ्ट साइड में शिफ्ट कर लेंगे, minus 240 is equals to 0. अब यहाँ पे देखो प्रोडक्ट जो है minus 240 है, right? And what is the sum here?
Plus 8.
Plus 8.
Plus 8.
Now product is 240. So 240 का दो फैक्टर का डिफरेंस 8 होना चाहिए.
20, 12.
Very good. 20 and 12. So sum का जो साइन है वो ग्रेटर नंबर पे लगा दो and the other will be of opposite sign. So we are going to split it as plus 20x minus 12x. Right. Now what is the common between these two terms?
X.
X. Here
Minus
Minus
12.
minus
12.
12. Very good. So we are getting x plus 20 into x minus 12 is equals to 0. So either x plus 20 is equals to 0 or x minus 12 is equals to 0. So we are getting two values. One is
Minus 20.
minus 20, other one
Plus 12.
plus
Plus
12.
12.
Right. But जो लेंथ जो होता है, ब्रेड्थ जो होता है वो कभी नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता. क्यों? Distance is always positive, right? So we have to
Yes.
neglect minus 20. So only one answer we have to take, that is x is equals to 12. So hence the breadth of the field is 12 meter and the correct option is
Option C.
option
C.
C, right? So this is the last question of today's session. Now in the next session we will do case study questions of quadratic equation, right? So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.